Hello, all you fiends out there. Welcome to the Creature Comforts channel. So in this video, I have this old skull that I don't necessarily like the color on it. And I want to change that and make it look more like an aged antique bone. And that's what we're going to do in this video. So let's get started. We're going to first start out with some burnt umber. Inside the eyes and inside the nose. You want to get it all down into the little valleys and crevices and stuff like that, so that when we go over it with a dry brush, it will show all those areas. Alrighty, I'll get this all finished up and show you when it's done. We got them all painted up with the burnt umber. And now I got some yellow ochre and some antique white. And I might mix in a little bit of apricot. Actually, no apricot. We got a nice bone color there with just the yellow ochre and the antique white. Now we're going to do some dry brushing. As I've said in my dry brushing video, a lot of times this works really good in layers. You just want to slowly build up to it. If you go on too heavy, then it doesn't seem to look the same. A lot of art is done in layers, but it's your preference. Just thought I'd do a quick video. I have another project that's on deck and I haven't finished it yet, so thought I'd do a quick video just doing some paint techniques, and then my next video will be a little bigger. The reason we want to do layers is it gives all these different looks to the textures in it. See how you got the striations of the skull, the separations in the skull that are showing through. Almost looks like a chocolate skull there. You go as light as or as dark as you want to leave this. If you want to leave it, just quit early. If you want to go lighter, just keep pushing it. But I'll finish this up and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And there we go. An old antiqued aged bone looking skull. And you could go even further with it and do some washes on it with different browns. You could highlight it to make it brighter. But I like it this way. It looks better than when we started. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think.